If you've ever dreamed of owning a charming bed and breakfast by the sea or a retro roadside motel, here is your chance lurking just around the corner. Believe it or not, even Robert De Niro had that dream and now owns the Greenwich Hotel in New York City. The one and only Donald Trump owns not one, but dozens of hotels all around the world. See, this dream is worth fighting for. And here is your 1 in a million chance to do that, because today, we will show you the most amazing empty hotels for sale that could be your dream come true. Thanks to its rich history, we're sure this property will lure many customers. Located in the town of Franklin, North Carolina, the beautiful historic home was originally a school, and then in 1915, it turned into a popular bed and breakfast. So it looks like this house is older than all of the people living on Earth right now, and if it could speak, would probably have some amazing stories to tell. But now, this could be the beginning of your own story. The residence comes with 10 bedrooms, being sold as 95% furnished, and a 1-bedroom owner's apartment waiting for you. Imagine drinking coffee in this magical, light-filled, and traditional empty hotel. You just need $1.2 million, and this dream will become a reality. Let's take a little trip to another continent. Welcome to Queensland, Australia. Nestled in the shadow of the Tambourine Mountain, the Amore B&B is surrounded by breathtaking views, award-winning wineries, and idyllic waterfalls. Just the perfect location for a wild soul that loves adventure. This charming property has it all, and you can see for yourself once you meander through the colorful garden. Built in 1995, the hotel comes with a light-filled reception, an additional guest suite specifically designed for customers with mobility needs, and 4 guest bedrooms with a traditional look. If you prefer it that way, no judgment here, but if you want to bring some modern magic to this charming hotel, you have plenty of room to do so. With $1.6 million, we have to admit it is a little more expensive than the previous residence, but it looks like it may be worth it. What do you think? Here's another inn that you won't overlook, probably because it's covered in the color blue. But apart from that, it's an absolute steal. Over in the idyllic coastal city of Ilwaco, Washington, there's an attractive inn at the Harbor Village, just a stone's throw away from the waters of the Columbia River. Take a look. How old do you think this is? Go ahead, spit out some of your guesses. Nope. No. And no. It was actually built in 1928. It certainly doesn't look that age, right? That is all thanks to a recent makeover. Now you can get 11 ensuite guest rooms with a chic nautical theme that adds to its charm. Not to mention that the Harbor Village is also equipped with a church. Combined with a banqueting hall, you can host weddings and make even more profit. Soon you won't even notice that you'd spend $1.8 million. The only problem could be if you don't like blue. But then, why are you still here? When you think of an empty hotel, you usually imagine a typical roadside motel in California with the sun setting behind it. Well, now's your chance to own one. The Shell Beach Inn is located in the city of Pismo Beach on California's Central Coast. Just the perfect area to live your American dream with seafood restaurants and lively beach bars. And if this sounds exciting to you, imagine your customers' reactions. A normal-looking inn, but when you look inside, you'll see that every single one of the 10 move-in ready guest suites has a modern design that makes you not want to look away. And since we're in California, an outside pool is a necessity. We don't know about you, but we're sold. All we need now is a spare $2.7 million. So make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so that we can get some of that ad revenue. Then we'll, of course, invite you all over for a party. Tell us in the comments which one of the empty hotels you think is worth investing in. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos.